Listen and listen attentively. There is nothing you write or say on Facebook or over the social media that will affect Zion ministry. There is nothing any man can do that can pull Zion ministry down. Why did I say so? Because the altar of Zion ministry is burning with big charcoal. The fire is burning. There is nothing any man can do that will quench this fire. Why did I say so? Evangelist Ebuka Obi is chosen and qualified by God, because he qualified the choosing. That is it. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is ordained from the mother's womb. Asina mmadụ na anwụ anwụ, Evangelist Ebuka Obi wouldn't have been alive up to this moment. But due to the fact that he was prepared for the journey ahead, that is why he's still alive. Tell me, is it easy to be an Igbo man and conquer, have a ministry in Lagos State? That alone will tell you that there is grace there. There is grace there. So whoever that is fighting him is fighting for nothing. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a born Catholic. In short, he is a traditional Catholic, born in a Catholic home, received Holy Communion, did confirmation. So what is his crime? Because he is not under a diocese, a bishop, or a parish. Now let me ask you a question. Is it a crime for a Catholic to run a ministry? A genuine Catholic for that matter. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a genuine Catholic, an evangelist, and a prophet. Catholic Church should be proud of him, because of Zion ministry alone, many Pentecostal, many Orthodox church have returned back to Catholic. Zion ministry doesn't have any interference with Catholic church programs, because Zion ministry is not a church. It's only a ministry. Even Evangelist Ebuka Obi, the spiritual director, goes to morning mass every day and goes to church on Sundays before coming to minister in Zion ministry. So what is his crime? I saw a post made by somebody. I wouldn't want to call his name. A priest. Calling his name is making him popular, because I know many priests now are into social media content and monetization. Calling his name is giving him followers. If not for envy or for cloud chasing, how can a Catholic priest come out on Facebook or social media and come and be writing against a Catholic? because he's running a ministry. Not be juju be that. Well, let me call it class chasing because of Facebook monetization. But I'm very, very much disappointed with most of our Catholic priests. I'm a Catholic by birth, Holy Communion, confirmation, and by marriage. I'm a Catholic. I feel ashamed most times when I see Catholic priests come on social media and be writing what I don't understand, misleading people, even exposing the Catholic Church the more, thinking that they are doing good. I feel disappointed. I think our Catholic bishop should look into these reverend fathers that are doing social media content. They should be checkmated. Many of them are doing what I don't understand. This priest will come out and be castigating this priest. This priest will come out and be castigating this priest. Most of these reverend fathers don't see any good thing that is being done by a fellow priest. Then tell me whose interest they are protecting. So what am I saying in effect? Nothing. There is nothing you will say or write on social media that can pull Zion ministry down. Evangelist Ebuka Obi has the anointing. He has the grace. In short, he is spiritually qualified. So why are you fighting him? Let me tell you, the more you write about him, the more you advertise him, the more you promote him, the more people will come close to see if those things you said about him are true. When they now come close and now find out that all you told them was lie, they will join. They will start coming. You will start crying. Zion ministry doesn't have any signposts. But come there on Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Sundays, you will not find any seats. In short, make a mistake, you are not in Zion ministry before 12 p.m. You might be looking for where to sit. Though that doesn't make Zion ministry a church, it's still a ministry. Because Zion ministry, Evangelist Ebuka Obi doesn't wait couples. He doesn't do baptism. He doesn't do bazaar. He's doing the work of his father. He was called for this work. So give him some credit. Catholics should be proud of what they have, not coming online and start castigating. Protect and promote what you have. Stop castigating him. There is nothing you will say on this planet Earth that will make people to stop coming to Zion ministry, because Zion ministry will able name prophecy with instant solution. I am a part of it. I will still come with my story when the time comes. If I have not felt the impact of Zion ministry in my family, I wouldn't be a supporter and a media warrior of Zion ministry. So I am very, very much proud to belong to Zion ministry. I am very, very happy and proud to use my page to promote Zion and talk good about Zion. So that is it. All this castigation and blackmailing has promoted Zion to be worldwide. There is no country that doesn't have Zion group. So what are we talking? If the grace is not there, how would... Are you now telling me that everybody is being fooled at the same time? You are sitting there writing what you don't understand. What you don't know, don't criticize. What you don't understand, don't criticize. Zion ministry is a movement. And there is a spirit in that movement. Evangelist Ebuka Obi is the only man of God I know. Take it or leave it. If you like, say he's doing RNG, no problem. We love the RNG. If you like, say he's doing fake prophecy, leave it for us. We like it. If you like, say he's not genuine, leave it. We will like it. All you are saying is just to pull him down. But Okarigone Egwu na and the Zionite anya akarige egwu. Aha anyị wuzi azụ anụ ụka. So what am I trying to say? Don't fight grace. So that grace will not disgrace your life. Atụrụ ọmara, atụrụ ofeke, ofebi esi n'ọhịa. Zion will fly. Kemesiano.